Welcome to Instructional Delivery 101. I'm Lynette, and I'll be guiding you through the ins and outs of this IDEA module, specifically focusing on instructional delivery. This module is built around the ISTE Standards. The ISTE Standards is an organization that created technology standards for education. The ISTE Standards provide the competencies for learning, teaching, and leading in the digital age, providing a comprehensive roadmap for the effective use of technology in schools worldwide. Grounded in learning science, research, and based on practitioner experience, the ISTE Standards ensure that using technology for learning can create high-impact, sustainable, scalable, and equitable learning experience for all learners. This module specifically focuses on the educator ISTE Standards, specifically 2.5, which states educators design authentic learner-driven activities and environments that recognize and accommodate learner variability. A. Use technology to create personalized learning for all learners. B. Design lessons that are authentic to learners and incorporate technology. And C. Use design principles to create digital learning environments. This module is broken into 3 parts. The first one is defining instructional delivery, and it helps answer the question, what is instructional delivery and why is it important? The second module is instructional delivery tools and their affordances, which answers what are some important tools for instructional delivery and their affordances. And the third is instructional delivery references and promising practices, which answers what are some resources that can be used and promising practices. The goals for you as a learner are for you to understand what instructional delivery is, to be able to identify important features of instructional delivery tools, and to review and utilize different tools for instructional delivery in your classroom. To continue on in this module, please go ahead and follow the modules as they are listed below on the webpage.